Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Nordstrom Elementary School, home of the Mountain Lions. This is in Morgan Hill, California, part of the Morgan Hill Unified School District, and I'm right outside their main office, but standing next to the Nordstrom Way, part of their pledge, and it's talking about showing respect, being kind, being unique, being yourself. We have the heart there as well. And that really tied into today's topic, right? I've been here multiple times, but the focus for today's assemblies, two separate ones for grades K2 and then 3 to 5, age appropriate for both, was all about bullying, but more importantly, looking at the heart first, right? Seeing someone just the same way that you see your best friend, for their heart before anything else, right? And our heart's as big as our fist, but we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here. We can turn this into this, right? The peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat that person. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, 2 seconds, we can say something so kind that it uplifts somebody potentially forever, or conversely, we can say something so destructive, so mean, that it stays in their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. And the students really took that to heart. There were some that came up to me after the assemblies today and just, told me about how they used to get bullied, but now they want to stand up for other people because they know how it feels. Some that are currently going through that right now, just for their size or their teeth, or, we can bully somebody over anything, right? But we don't have to take it personally, right? Because there's so many opinions out there, but not every opinion matters. What matters is what you believe and what your best friends, your true friends believe, which is hopefully seeing ourselves and others for this. I bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M, right? I trace one of mine here. That M stands for Morgan Hill. No, I'm just kidding. That M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt. And upside down W is for worthy, right? That we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, because so many students I speak to across this nation, and adults even, sometimes they've never been told that, they've forgotten that, they need a reminder, and we can be the light to their heart, right? So we have to buy into that for sure, and know that, we can always rise above that hate, right? We can always show that love. And that a big reason why bullying even happens in the first place is that hurt people. But we know that healed people heal people as well. So if we can step into that, have our hearts, have that love enter our hearts, all of a sudden, now we can go and show that same kindness that was shown to us, and hopefully start to make this world a better place. And, bullying is a repeated action. It's over and over and over again on purpose to get power over someone, right? It's not just a one-time thing, but those one-time actions, those 2 seconds, what I really try to reinforce today with the message is that those can have the same impact, right? And they can hold the same gravity, the same weight. And so it's so important that we really think about and are conscious of what we say, what we do, right? That we have that ability to look at someone's heart first and know that this is how we start to change the world. So thank you so much for touching my heart. It's always an honor to be back here again. I love coming back year after year. You guys always touch my heart. Have a great rest of the school year though. Hope to see you all again soon. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.